Welcome to our cinematic journey. Today, we delve into the world of Hollywood and explore the value chain that brings our favorite films from script to screen. Our journey begins in the realm of ideas. In the development stage, writers, producers, and creative minds come together to craft captivating stories and concepts. Their imagination sets the foundation for the magic yet to come. Screenwriters weave narratives, shaping characters and story arcs. Producers analyze market trends, assess audience preferences, and identify potential commercial viability. Through collaboration and innovation, they lay the groundwork for the film's success. But turning dreams into reality requires funding. Enter the financing stage, where producers seek investments from production companies, investors, and other sources. This financial support breathes life into the project and paves the way for production to begin. Producers pitch their ideas, showcasing their creative vision and commercial potential. Investors evaluate the project's merits and risks, considering factors such as the script, talent attached, and market demand. Successful financing ensures that the film has the resources needed to proceed. Now the pre-production stage kicks off, where meticulous planning and organization take center stage. Casting, location scouting, budgeting, and assembling the crew are just some of the puzzle pieces that fall into place, laying the groundwork for the film's production. Production designers bring the script to life visually, crafting captivating sets and creating immersive environments. Casting directors search for the perfect actors to embody the characters, holding auditions and screen tests. The crew is assembled, including cinematographers, costume designers, and production managers, among others. Pre-production ensures that every aspect is meticulously planned before the cameras start rolling. It's showtime, cameras roll, and the production stage comes alive. Actors, directors, cinematographers, and the entire crew collaborate to capture the story on film. From breathtaking sets to stunning performances, this is where the magic happens, frame by frame. Directors translate the script into visual storytelling, guiding the actors and crew to bring their vision to life. Cinematographers capture each shot, using their artistic expertise to enhance the story's mood and atmosphere. Grips, gaffers, and other technical professionals work tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring seamless production. Enter the post-production stage, where the footage transforms into a finished masterpiece. Editors, visual effects artists, sound engineers, and composers work their magic, refining and enhancing the film's visual and auditory elements. Editors weave together the footage, creating the narrative flow and pacing of the film. Visual effects artists enhance the visuals, adding stunning digital elements where needed. Sound engineers create immersive soundscapes, blending dialogue, music, and sound effects. Composers craft original scores that elevate emotions and enhance storytelling. With the film complete, it's time to share it with the world. Distribution companies step in, acquiring the rights to bring the film to theaters, streaming platforms, and other outlets. They craft marketing strategies, build anticipation, and coordinate the release to ensure maximum audience reach. Distribution executives analyze market trend and target audience demographics. They develop tailored marketing campaigns, leveraging trailers, posters, press releases, and social media to generate buzz. They negotiate deals with theater chains, streaming platforms, and international distributors to secure wide distribution. The distribution stage determines how and where the film reaches its audience. The exhibition stage unfolds, with screenings in cinemas, film festivals, and digital platforms. Viewers, eagerly anticipating the film's release, experience the magic firsthand, transported to worlds beyond their imagination. Audiences gather in theaters, where the big screen and immersive sound systems bring films to life. Film festivals showcase new and independent works, providing a platform for artistic expression. Streaming platforms offer convenience and accessibility, allowing viewers to enjoy films from the comfort of their homes. The exhibition stage is where the film truly connects with its audience. But the film's journey doesn't end there. Ancillary revenue streams come into play, creating additional avenues for success. DVD sales, video on demand, streaming rights, merchandise licensing, international distribution, and television syndication all contribute to the film's profitability and longevity. Fans eagerly purchase DVDs, collect merchandise, and stream films on various platforms. Licensing agreements allow the film's characters and imagery to grace toys, clothing, and other products. International distribution brings the film to audiences around the globe. The final chapter of the value chain is audience consumption. Whether in theaters, through streaming services, or with home entertainment formats, viewers immerse themselves in the cinematic experience, becoming an integral part of the film's success. Audiences laugh, cry, and cheer as they connect with the characters and storylines. Box office numbers, streaming views, and audience reviews provide feedback on the film's reception. Their enthusiasm and engagement validate the efforts of everyone involved in the value chain. From script to screen, the value chain of Hollywood weaves together passion, creativity, and technological expertise. Each stage, from development to audience consumption, is a testament to the collective efforts that bring our favorite stories to life. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the wonder that unfolds as Hollywood's value chain ignites our imaginations, transporting us to worlds beyond our wildest dreams.